Hi, Grandma Joy here. How would you like to make a fun paper boat? You can pretend that you're really sailing it. All you need is a blue blanket or a blue piece of paper and your boat. And you could have it sail along. Or maybe you could imagine people in it fishing on a lake. A lot of people like boats and ships. We could do all sorts of things with them. Like here's a little charm. That's a little boat that I can keep in my pocket. And here's a little bigger ship in a bottle that can be pretending to sail along. But it had to be made by fitting everything through this little tiny top into the bottle and then constructing it. Someone took time to do that, didn't they? There's all sorts of fun things people do with ships and boats. You can even have something like this that looks like a ship, and it could be a placemat at your table. But today, we're going to make a paper boat that can be a lot of fun. So you need to start with a piece of paper that's square. If it's not square, if it's a rectangle, you might have to take part of it off or have somebody help you to take part of it off. And then you're going to start folding it. So we're going to fold it in half. Like that. And then we're going to fold it again. So that the half goes into a fourth. And we're going to do that on both sides. So that in a way, it looks a bit like a paper fan, right? So there's 4 parts, 4 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the square has been divided into 4. There I go. And then if I look at it, I can go 1, fold it open, fold it over again, and fold it over again. Because that center part is poking out. And then what I want to do is have it like this. And I'm going to fold it over in triangles at the top. So each corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, is going to fold over like that. And this one has that extra space, right? So we're going to fold those all over like that. Right? There you go. Has the opening down there. And then I'm going to fold it over. And the boat is going to be in here. See, it's already looking like the boat, right? There's the orange one. I've just put some extra lines and stuff on it. So what I can do now is fold it to make the shape a little better. What I did was fold this up here, and then this is going to go down. And what I'm doing is taking it to the edge there. So I've got that. And I can fold this in half. There. Same over here. And on the bottom, to make it stay better, what I'm going to do is make some little folds there. I just made some extra little triangle folds on the bottom of the boat. And look, now I have a little boat. And I can even write on my boat whatever I want. Maybe I can name the boat. You could name it with your name or something else. On this boat, I just wrote B is for boat. That's fun. So you can name your boat and write something on it. You can have whatever color boat you want. You could even draw on it. And then you could get a piece of blue paper or a blue blanket or anything you want and pretend that's the ocean. And these boats that are made out of paper will actually float, but they may not float long because once they get really wet, they're just made out of paper, right? But it's fun, and it's fun to imagine sailing along. And so I hope you sail along in your imagination and you enjoy having boats too, like this boat, or even a boat like this. Have a great time imagining. Bye-bye.